Listen and practice. He tells that there was a man walking in the jungles of the Amazon, enjoying the wonderful view of nature, tall trees that he had never seen before, and beautiful flowers with fragrant scents. The man turned to the back and saw before his eyes a frightening and huge lion heading towards him with the speed of lightning. From the intensity of hunger, the lion was clearly slumped in the waste. An abandoned house, so the man jumped immediately, and without hesitation while holding onto the rope that draws water. The man started swinging in the middle of the well. A short time passed, the lion's voice subsided, then the man caught his breath and calmed down, but soon he heard another sound, but this time it was the hissing of a large-headed and very long snake at the bottom of the well. He began to think of a way to get rid of the snake inside the well, and the lion at the top. He saw two mice, one white and the other black, ascending from the bottom of the well through the rope to the top of the rope, and starting to bite the rope. The man panicked a lot and started moving the rope with his hands right and left to scare the mice, and while he was swinging right and left he collided with one of the sides of the well, and when he hit the side, he felt something moist and sticky in his back. The man turned to the back, and he found bee honey. He collided with the bee houses that are built in caves, mountains and on trees. The man tasted some honey, so he took a lick and added the second, and because of the sweetness of the honey, the man forgot what was in it. Difficult situations, and suddenly his wife woke him up from his sleep while he was sweating. Then he knew that it was just a bad dream. In the morning, the man decided to go to a dream interpreter to explain to him what he saw. He narrated the dream to the sheikh, and the sheikh laughed, saying, "Did you not know its interpretation?" The man said, "No." The sheikh said, "The lion that runs behind you is the angel of death, and the well in which the snake is located is your grave." The sheikh said, "The world has made you forget its sweetness, that death and reckoning are behind you." In the morning, the man went to the house of one of the interpreters of dreams to interpret his dream correctly. Indeed, he went to the house of one of the sheikhs and told him his dream in detail. So the sheikh laughed, saying, "Did you not know his interpretation?" The man said, "I do not know, sir." The sheikh said, "The lion that runs behind you is Azrael who wants to take your soul. As for the rope that you clung to, it is your life, and the well at the bottom of which a snake is your grave." The man, eager to hear the explanation of honey, and honey, our sheikh, honey. The sheikh said, "Honey symbolizes the world. Its sweetness has made you forget that death and reckoning are behind you.